What if the problem isn't that you don't have enough investment options, but that none of them actually fit the kind of life you want? Most people are trying to grow their money, but they're doing it in ways that quietly create stress, uncertainty, or complexity. They're saving more. They're watching the stock market. They're buying rental properties. Or they're investing in syndication deals and hoping everything goes according to plan. And while all these strategies can work, they all come with trade-offs that don't always get talked about. Let's start with savings. Saving accounts feel safe. Your money is liquid. You can access it when you need it. But safety often comes at a cost. With inflation, low interest rates, and rising expenses, savings alone rarely build real wealth. In many cases, your money is actually losing purchase power over time due to inflation. So people look for growth, and that usually leads them to the stock market. Stocks can offer long-term returns, but they also come with a lot of volatility. Your account balance can rise and fall based on market cycles, global events, or decisions made far beyond your control. Even if you believe in the long-term market, the short-term swings can be emotionally draining, especially if you're relying on that money for the income or stability. Then there's rental real estate. Rental properties are often marketed as the ultimate path to financial freedom. But ownership comes with responsibility. Tenants, vacancies, maintenance, larger repairs, or unexpected costs. Even with property management, someone still has to make decisions, handle issues, and absorb the stress when things don't go as planned. For some people, that's acceptable. For others, it's exactly what they're trying to avoid. And then there are syndication deals. Syndications are positioned as hands-off real estate investing. You invest capital and a team manages the deal. But the trade-offs are control and flexibility. Your money is typically locked up for years. Income may not be consistent, and outcomes depends heavily on the decisions of people you don't control. Which leads many people to quietly ask a different question. Is there a way to earn real estate income without owning the property, without the tenants, without the market volatility, and without locking money away for years? And that's where mortgage notes investing comes in. Mortgage notes work differently than most traditional investments. When someone buys a property using a loan, they sign a mortgage note. That note is a legal agreement to make monthly payments. Banks create those loans, and they don't always keep them on their balance sheet. They sell them. And when you own the note, you're not the landlord. You're the one receiving those payments. There are no tenants calling you, no properties to manage and maintain, no repairs to coordinate. Instead of relying on appreciation or market timing, you focused on structured, contractual monthly income. Instead of guessing what something might be worth in the future, they're evaluating what it produces now. Mortgage note investing shifts the focus from ownership to income, from speculation to structure, from chaos to clarity. This strategy has been used quietly for decades by banks, by funds, and by institutions. Not because it's exciting, but because it's reliable. It doesn't require you to be aggressive or speculative. It requires you to understand the process and approach it intentionally. For people who value predictability, simplicity, and the peace of mind, that distinction matters. And that's exactly why we created the Quiet Wealth Income Builder. This training is designed to show you how mortgage note investing works, step by step, in a clear, practical way. You'll learn how to generate consistent monthly income through mortgage notes, but without owning a single property, without the tenants, without the market volatility, and without costly trial and error mistakes. It's built for people who want a calmer, more intentional way to grow wealth, even if you feel stuck, overwhelmed, or unsure where to start. If this approach resonates with you, and you're ready to explore real estate income without becoming a landlord, the link to join the training is in the comments. When you're ready to build real estate income without owning property, we're here to guide you step by step. We look forward to see you on the inside.